Alright, if your robot design requires you to reverse the motor shaft, what you do here is pretty simple. You remove the clip at the bottom that holds it in there. Sometimes it comes out a little easier than other times. There you go. Now you pull the motor apart. Be sure to save this little washer here. There you go, got the little washer. Now you have it apart. What we're using here is an arbor press. I'll kind of give you a better look at what it looks like here. It's one of these presses here, and it allows you to press out things like shafts and other things like that. So what we're going to do is set up the arbor press to have the smallest amount of gap, so you less chance of bending the shaft or the can, and you want to line up on the shaft there. And sometimes it takes a couple knocks to knock it through to get this started, but once you do that, it goes pretty easily. There we go. Now it's broke free. And so what's happening now is the set screw is creating a slice or a scrape inside the side of the shaft here, so it can't spin, so it still keeps its tightness in there, and you can't move it at all, and it's ready to go back into the motor. And now sometimes when you do this, it does create a little bit of a scrape on the shaft here, and you may get a little bit of scraping when you spin it, but very rarely. And if you do, you just keep spinning it until it stops scraping, and then it will be smooth again. Once you get that on there like that, put your little washer back on to keep the space for the bearing, and then you can put your lock collar or whatever other method you want to use to build your bot. And that's how you do it. Reversed shaft.